Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm on the way now to pick up wood for the next project. Found a fella who lives about an hour from me. He sells walnut slabs. I think it's about time that I try to make me a table. I have a gallon of epoxy resin, and I'm gonna see what I can do with that. I think walnut's a great color. It's good and dark, just like the furniture I like is always dark. I did order some blue-green black diamond pearl mica to tint some resin. I think that's going to be a great contrast to the walnut. But right now we're on the way to the sawmill to pick it up, and that person in front of me cannot drive whatsoever. After I pick up the wood, I'll let you guys see what it looks like. It's going to be another 30 minutes or so for me. But for you guys, it's going to be instant, thanks to the wonderful magic of video, of the stop and record button. But I will keep you guys informed, updated, and see you in a bit. Go, guys. That's what we got. Got us two pieces. We got a piece of purple heart back there. I'm going to try to make another cut board out of that. The fellow was nice enough to give me that. And like I said, I was very, very appreciative. It's good to find good people in this world sometimes. But once I get home, we'll unload this and we'll do a little more investigation and check it out. Alright, so here's what we got to work with. A lot of this, you know, we can epoxy back together. But if I got to, I can just cut it off. I like this piece pretty good. Has like a little flame effect to it. But this one right here is going to make a nice river table. I can't wait to get to work on this. My next day off is in a couple of days, and as soon as I'm off, I'm going to get to work of taking all this bark off. Stay tuned.